Ropax 14, we have many owners thinking about changing the language on board. Why? Because it's about 26% more competitive. If we top it up with this new constraint, then we have to pay for it. But today, we have huge availability in America, in Europe, of Spanish-speaking crews. Why? Because they have now experience in the cruise sector and they are interested in staying around America and around Europe. They don't want to move to another country. They want to stay in their own country. Why? Because it's cold up north, isn't it? And then the quality of life here in Spain, everybody's smiling, same as in America. So why move to another country? Because if we do take advantage of this during winter, it is not only a 26% cost, but also it is the quality of the crew. We have the best quality of the crew, the Latin countries, and we have been really influenced by the salt, the sea, not only for the good humor, but also because the way of living out of fishing, which is a huge opportunity because the fishing industry is gone with tax. It's no more fish. It's too expensive to run fishing ships. So there is a huge opportunity to turn those crews towards Ropax, and also we could explore the Spanish flag. Why? Because if you have a huge database of Spanish-speaking crew, then you can. But also you can have a Spanish flag under English language. We have done that in LNG sector. Why not today? Because it has huge grants, 90% social security employer, from 26% to 2.6, then 50% income tax, 50 for the top talent. Then also the biggest competitive advantage of the Spanish flag is that 1 day embarked equals 2 days at shore. So all the crew can retire at 55 years of age. Isn't this a great competitive advantage? No other European flag, nor Italy, nor Brazil, nor Holland, no other flag in the planet has ratio 1:2 of working to retirement. So with 25 years working, boom, you can retire with 100% pension. Isn't that interesting? Sanitary assistance and so on. Therefore, please think about this Ropax 14 this winter because it is a huge opportunity. Thank you and bye. Thanks for your attention.